Ebuja Asɛm na critical. Oko media so Ghana for boafo pa yi. Omboafo Ato Forson. Okudzeto Ablakwa. His Excellency the President himself, John Mahama. You know, Asiedu Nketia Honorable. Omboafo no. He said all the NDC leadership Ghana for no ege come adwen achiro mu. Na de ntia obekọ adwen kire obia no. Mema won kire mu no akire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Meso say ni di mo. Over like a video, no other put subscribe button, snap click the notification icon, latest updates. Now back to the wide and mama. Ewo comment section. Meso baswa. No check for any be actually. You know, abra now to forcing omo opposition. Na kenofrata mo ewo ho no mo as finance minister no. Na ade bi ekoso. Ma wo ka say me ka kire o say 2019 MPP government wan say they will inject some sikabi into the economy. Say be a ebeboa nanka ate dollar na kwa ekosoro no ate so. That time when they injected no eboa ma na dollar na ho odin sem eba from. Bloomberg make report said that time no dollar Cedi was the strongest currency in the world against the dollar. Ato Forson gas o there be Akufo-Addo government enyai say Wama Bank of Ghana inject sika into the economy. Wonyai no onyai munyahunu na wajin because enye Akufo-Addo ye bibia they are just injecting money into the economy. They are just injecting money into the economy. At that 2019 finance minister Kenofrata every budget every year no. At first be say Kenofrata ntimi break it down on sika na omu inject into the economy no. Sika no mu go twa buy no be real economy say be sidi benya ahoden no. When to break it down Ghana for it was what call
surprise that in the minister's statement he failed to alert all of us that he has encouraged the Bank of Ghana to print new money worth 22 billion Ghana cedis. Only for us to see it in this document. And you can see it in the media review document, page 97, appendix 2A. And the Bank of Ghana, they have printed 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis. 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis, new money that they have printed without approval of Parliament, without informing all of us. This is illegal. It is against the Bank of Ghana Act. And I want to urge the governor of the central bank that he has engaged in an illegality, gross illegality. And in future, if he's asked to print money, he should first come to Parliament first before he acts. But in the meantime, I'm surprised that our minister responsible for finance failed to talk about it. So what he did today is a nullity. He should come back again and deliver a new media review. Because this is material. It is, in fact, perversive. For a minister to omit the fact that they have taken 22 billion Ghana cedis from the central bank is perversive. I cannot accept it. It is scandalous, and he should have, at least as part of his statement, mentioned to us. Apparently, it is hidden in the appendix 3A. So if you do not have an eye or you don't have a spectacle like I have, then it means you will see it. Appendix 2A. I am saddened.
I know NDC were vehemently against pumping of money into the economy. But it is so interesting to see say omo na omo ye against and omo ba omo kwa na air pumping akese. Omo and air pumping akese. From January 2025 afu esi mu ebesi se aha ye we. And now me video we 10th December 2025. Enra Anna join this for MK post. Omo chire mu say from January 2025 to December 2025 sika Bank of Ghana injected into the economy just to support the strength of the Cedi against the dollar no 10 billion US choppable dollars. Now dollar at 14.75 as of 7th January 2025. Now you handle power to NDC. Now dollar at 14.75. Now at 11.4 you are spending $10 billion just to move dollar from 14.75 to 11.4. Let's say we calculate here dollar elsewhere just 3 cedis. Just 3 cedis. 3 cedis and a swat here. 3 cedis penna a swat no. Ya boka $10 billion. You wasted $10 billion. Sesi kan ke yenya dollar sem. Yenya se o man na ye cheche de ani asi obi sika so. Ye no obi dollar na kuntoko hunu ntoko anyansa bia anim ye de ani asi dollar so. Na nka ye mie nwuma. O man mu ya den be ye se den na sika wa manfo we betima tena se abobra. Luxembourg omuto nsuo to asa eto niema. Ho ensuo bo dance ni bibia so Luxembourg omuto enom because obi a wiska. O man na say a rich country. Because enyuma bu obi anya adwuma enti no ade ne board den said dey amafo jesika to ba Ghana de sika na kedi ye de beye niam abo oman no ye de dinsim hu ye de gura topre $10 billion ya shi sika we kwa asat na dollar esa kosoro eti besa pompe eti just 1 year kwan kwa we ye no ya wasted $10 billion every year bia no and among as mo no let's say every year bia am spending $10 billion Ede achi dollar. They will crew ha no more. You ha. You crew here. You crew ha. Now you know there was something Ato Forson really budget no. Na me di ne ho yaw. Obrobro niam aye se obeja no nyam so but Ato Forson entimi anka nche Ghana for bosin by 2025 year omabo. Because okaya as of December 2024 na Ghana your public debt e kaya de nyina in dollars na eda $49.54 billion as of December 2024. That is Kufuor ye to be ya omu handle power na Ghana ye kaya there in dollars as of November 2025 Ghana ye ka in dollars at $68 billion $68.58 billion. Oya calculation ti free mo 68.58 minus 49.54. NDC government ebetra Ghana konwa so just 1 year 1 year nyamaye 2025 as of November na NDC government ajebosia $19 billion. Omo ajebosia $19 billion. Out of us we call ready budget went man chire mu the only bosia we yaye went man chire. When Bosnia, we are just less than a year. Bosnia Kufa better to 8 years. Kufa Bosnia $20 billion. Mahama better just less than a year. 1 year crab my. Watch Bosnia $19 billion. What is Canada? And you wasted $10 billion just to stabilize dollar. For Sobia Masu, you just can to nurses, you just can to teachers. Still unemployment rate, quite a cost there be among fools, so many demand. Ya kwache Bosnia $19 billion. Ya racist can call you what the bias a Ghana kwa kwache Bosnia so ka di echi no me ti so bi ka ba na emesere no nem de ekoso Ato Forson every budget went man chire amie biwe man chire Ghana for say Ghana for you better 1 year no ya je Bosnia $19 billion one chire anche Ghana for enye easy adapo abese san Ghana ha be ye de say oba ne be ye sere ebu be ye sere ebu be ye sere na sadwe no ana Ghana for abe blàst Ato Forson
Abusuya Ghana yenye serious as a country yentimi ntua teachers and nurses eka yetimi waste $10 billion $10 billion American dollars baku sa 10 billion all in the name of say ye the intervening in their forex ama dollar no aye stable $10 billion unim how many factories are $10 billion ebetimi abie unim how many schools are $10 billion ebetimi esi unim how many roads are $10 billion ebetimi construct kilometers of road unim how many hospitals are $10 billion ebetimi esi His Excellency John Mahama abayene say ono de on fan to adwuma ya foka on fan nurses ni teachers for school sorry adwuma on fan ma nkwala momu nko school of premise no stress free fees no one farm entua na mo no de ye or the intervening in the forex send e be ya dollar e be stable me busa Ghana near odini kwi e wo Ghana ha no mo ohun dollar da no in sebi period asa nyansa ben na wom sisa ni pa ka sa intervening in the forex na di ama no ananya bia ode yeden last year na bel aqua e 4 Cedi and the dollar abba forma and the dollar 11 cedis 44 pesos no 5 cedis and 6 cedis Verna last year na 2 cedis and 3 cedis and no dollar na wadi 10 billion ashemu no nyansa ben na wom minim say ndc ti bon kofo so no e baba be defend na so busa ho say ndc ba ye wanya dwuma ye nho ato wa men isa say de ye ho ato ye ho ye komo ndi yen yamen yen osunu kokoko ma nyokofo no ye ye adwuma na no ntini edidi na wo eyezu eyeza unya adwuma komo dewo nanso o president no I waste 10 billion just to make sure so bama dollar aba form now so anyam no ka say dollar no asan so rise here e cost rubium and no ntino John Mahama what is the importance of wasting $10 billion just to intervene in the forex to make the dollar stable? Then nyansa be ne wom John Mahama ni Ato Forson mu nim adwuma mu waste Ghana taxpayers money just to intervene in dollar. You people are not serious. If Ghana were to be any serious country, I think I'm mutimi resign from positions and say you don't deserve to be in those positions now. Eyezu eyeza aza aban John Mahama aka Ibu Mahama.
Yes, Ghana for Ato is pumping. Ato is pumping. Ato is pumping. Yes, Ghana for say Ato. I am project. Ghana for say Ato ya project. Dollar there say Ato what home on Ghana for say dollar no Ghana for me say from say ending for about $10 billion. Ghana for $10 billion. You Ghana for say rutina nurse for young from a Ghana for sika di betu nurse for karo ya dey pumping the dollar in Ghana for it say ya will say Ato what home on Ghana for Ato yewu it is mputu nduma any eniama enkoso nurse for teachers for any other agencies na yentu omo kan na Ghana for say sika nya ye dey amato and o pumpiku Ghana for ayempem project Ato ayempem project or one home di bia Ghana for it is a wujiri say Ato or one home dia mesasa fanza here back one so yes fanza back one so manya ya uwi bia pasa na no say me aso here aforo me no wasa atrase say ye hu say 10 billion and omde ahye ye friends dollar nim Ghana for nya adwuma nya yi de 2028 still possible. Yes, still possible Ghana for.
Now you know on say NDC government I promise a 24-hour economy as on ba obia benya adwuma obia bedidi but it's so interesting to see say almost formula 133 no de ba ye no.
How can we solve the unemployment crisis in Ghana? Yes, Massa.
By using formula 133.
Can you expatiate?
Say, this simply means 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. That is the Mahama 24-hour economy policy. Under this policy, businesses will be given tax incentives, cheaper electricity, financial support, and security support services to encourage them to work 24/7 by adopting 3 work shifts of 8 hours each. This will triple job opportunities in the country. This policy will boost production, increase productivity, and generate well-paying jobs in all participating businesses and public organizations. Ejumanu obi afeyebi.
Omuntimi ni so. Even crown no Asiedu Nketia say 24-hour economy no aban betwa utility bills are work from amaye but only media dan say entumo no kwa na ekosro.
24-hour economy no dia yaba ni say aban ebetwa electricity boa ewo fam kura edi ama enyumayefo a mo beba adwuma anajo no mabeya adwuma enti mo amoye fundraise mo amoye welders mo amokura eka sene ne amane ma mo hia electricity pa no mo penufo na mo adwuma emfaso aba mo a mo be sign na mo ba adwuma anajo anadwo use electricity a na ne boa ya den akọ from wo mo iron rods ene a mo use anyamawode kese no mo be ye mo adwuma anadwo a wo be hu se anyamawode boa be kọ from pa aboa mo ama mo anya mfaso na maburu no so wo mo anya adwuma aye enti abana nteni a church 24-hour economy num na mujitumu a eno eye game changer ewo oman Ghana
eno anwa me ho post bi ese na Ablakwa Minister for Foreign Affairs Minister for Foreign Affairs now no Ghana for a work kata eye adwuma no omo nam 13,000 near today, but they are doing everything possible say omo through 50,000 just say 24-hour economy no yeah they do kata yeah the 24-hour economy no every kata say Ghana me won you hu de dey ko eno ana TikTokers no abe blàst John Mahama any Ato Forson omu nyina on the issue of 24-hour economy.
Minyanum NDC for me busamo. The same who 24-hour economy no. This year how I one morning shift and I say one night shift and I say one afternoon shift. Hey. On Penyah Mahama wadada you see a koto jet no koto. Jet a bet me ejali wom e wo biem. Luxurious jet. A bet me ejali wom e wo biem. Eno na koto. Na minyanum me share NDC ni bi. Musana onyejuma ena enyejuma ena ye pra say people economy ni embra share me oh mama ya za mama na waso na 24 economy no pacho morning shift and now afternoon shift and now night shift osimi fu ne sonko NDC atasa government atasa
ngora sa asanwe ya papa kan mana wa Asiedu Nketia yo ka chere mmire binu samukai ya fasa Asɛm no entoto nne electricity bill bebi akwa koduru samuka chere say 24-hour economy no ya yesoso na de anadwo nti se ye ya adwuma ye bill na eso beti minim mita kora ye de besusu sa bill no mita ye besusu se enne de se de adura na yonti no bill no ma ente so na ade akye a na wa use meter foforo a ebe ready ordinary normal no mintimi hunu bet nipa da se ya ma ye we adada ne se edura na ajo na wo ba be ya adwuma wo be no baba fo na mo ma ade akye de a na asa akosoro mini se wo meter bi a ready sa enne electricity bill e tum se hwim enne se ye sa ba betum water bill ye tum na ye twa ntoro ase IMF say NPP for IMF am koye no the conditions no bi no mesra mo enye no kore IMF conditions no say se mufu e no bo kwosoro a wo betuma atu wo electricity bill mu se na ba ya wo de wa cover sa aka no se wo dollar no e kwosoro a wo betuma atu electricity bill mu ni etoso miensa se inflation kwosoro a ubetima to electricity bill mu IMF conditions amode ma Ghana no sa mensa wanyina bia ni ho no ma eya adwuma ne mo ankasa mo pe ana mo de tum enyo bia na ka se mo tum nti se 24-hour economy no aye ba beti lat bill so ma ya tima ya adwuma na ajo no sa feel na ne ye tum hey and this for me ke bia say o me smart o me very smart o mo nim Ghana for NDC for nimu de mo pe no enu ana mo ka kire mo ente sa nipa wa ba 2012 2016 wa dada mo da dum so mu sa 4 years eye nanado ene baumia adaworma ena on ba yi mu fu sa dum so no enne sa nipa na sa dada o say 24-hour economy will that bill no obeti so president mama ba ben what that bill so da what is so da ebin siye na wadada o na wasan ato aba mana ba he lad bi no ahia the next year no we omo didi ebunia o we ebunia kyede e na omo gigi dadi bunia na ya nhwe na se edi bunia no wie na omo bobo ka na se omo ba bagi sika o ahia omaka sa mo ton nipa kura ade aye o man no me say management no it's not about say math makwakoto matua masidan wo no adwuma ekosu bia no eye nanado legacy nanado aban no benefit na enjoy no nesi yesimu a afi na NDC fo ankasa eye fi na wo ankasa ba be ye wo de petrol aban the tax atoso Sam George ka say DSTV for nteso manti omo see tax na aban that to omo so no se opese omo te so dia onyi tax no firi so omo yi tax no firi so ansa na omo timi ate so endi se aban aban asa wo beduru a wo sika no wo gi akwakodi o onim nipa bia de brew sa sika wo ya gin na ka edi social intervention policy na ka Ghana fo ankasa yesa benefit kura nka nyaya but omo na enye no yesika kakra no so a ewo ho no na omo asaje enen so yesi no ma bo aba form sika ni ho obeto dollar aba form na no ma bo ekosoro eji se endi sa ban kwa na obehu sa ade we ndi se Ghana fo ya nyema ya ni an na ho no na 2028 ya nya ban we amfiri ho a omo ton ma no ai omo ton ma no kura
unim rent the way rent akosoro unim ade and this one da Ghana for no omo da unim na me nuanom Ghana for unim say the reduction of the cedi against the dollar say ye problems in abe solve but no da kwa no say amemwo the fact say dollar no cedi ni appreciate to wait no enye nipa wo ase ho a uni ebe kwa basic life amenity uni bi I be affect o na da kwa me example dollar na e ba form no nipa ebu a omo de kay omo mkofa no right okofa no man ne purpose ne say okofa ba matimamuni atimi atobnya za na okofa ba matimamuni no eno ma ne boasa ye den no the purpose of dollar ne ba form e wo fa so ma any day na I'm asking you me say me busa inti omo de da mo say automatically em say dollar no e ba form a Ghana problems in aye day aye solve which was not the case na my second instance and then when is all hospital and na yes I the folder system baba
say have insurance no
o mecha contract ye be digitize hospital wo the NHIS card ne ko say ya anu an say wo bo we na say na for ni naba ko bi sama me phone say no mo ko ayi dada no say the way na so mo bre I boarded the boat o ka tell say na ma odi ne ko ma me ne tina wo sa
na it is a health insurance say nya adwuma
for the system hospitals I mean for health services for nurses for doctors sisi anu bi so say for that system say adwuma for that system say my bi wa ye digitize the hospitals no omo be ye free am say ye ko hwe folder e bi mo te be pa na twere so in 2025 this is the change people voted for the next one I'll go there me we kra electricity tariff me te say obi ka chem say ato aba ye nya any effect positively on our lives the pakono is funny to me especially nipa me ne level ye pe ye na any bi yes a lot of people no which benefits and about single room another kwa I'm telling you today a young man 100 cedis might not even be enough for you in a single room I'm telling you sing 100 cedis na say yeah the January they say the electricity increment
that's about to ya bokagu
yeah the tariffs ka January they be kan one a year buy two tariffs more than 30% more than yaboka another kwa yaboka say fufuro jorobe sikana say nana kwa sikana she single room nana kwa na dia me ya water nana kwa water bill na Ghana say na market say water and na single bill ma ojare once a day muko busa no so otua say man
1 January kwa petrol mbatum kakra any diesel
nana kwa ma menko so minye nana kwa yeti ai in nurses no 13 months when is we release more 1 month and na dia na kufado no ojare wo play mu a ade na mo ba wo play ejari mo ko fe kufa de na sana no kra me busaw ye wo play na ejari mu dada a mo ka che Ghana fo ni na se papa kufa do ejari wo play mu
se wa bro
right ejari wo play na mo ba ye ko opposition na nada kwa sa play na kufa do ejari wo mu na ayira
no nyare play bi
o me pese me busa ayira na nyina idea e de na yeti over 60 million na nada kwa 60 million o ekokoto fa akon x ndi ni kwa be the rough
e de mum
nada kwa edi na yedi kitwa na wo hwese wo mini bar casino kakra ye workout kakra near washroom, come on, standard level. Ready and Coponanda, who bet me a house party home, who bet me a baby home, Namako to 60 million, another qua, nurses a crap, salary from teacher. Allowance community in Chebi Maomo. It's a way Ghana phone to about a mocha, another coming free ho. They be a make a million when this phone is on. I do money your chain people we are say, eh, no one and throw propaganda. How? And in our das, I'm money, I'm telling you, another qua. They be a catch up. And I issue disclaimers too, and some I'm ref. One, NDC for no money can say, Moya, dear, and come up position Ghana ha, and you should watch say, and Yamemo. En quentin e pato to aba
because Santero
ya won ko fu
mutwaye boy ma head na go ka
we beba ho na kwa
fu pa
na kwa beba ho
o dada ba na hwere ni
na to bo
dada ba 1 minute onwene ho
na kwa
Santero jase
be se me no NDC 40 asese e ya memu nko na nka party bi de papa wan ko ma pa wada na nam se ye man mu e be the tribe na to up tribal sentiment e be the baby oba onu no be di na to aba nti no ma pa wan I'm telling them yes I'm telling them if there be omo feel meti media di agro and na mo ya ade anke yenka maba opposition and this because Ghana ha enye obi na to aba because of amemo obi abu let me establish na they make koso na nada kwa so oman ye di afi ye nua no beje omo so mo ba be savage oman no akofo ado wa bon according to them onu ko omo so ye Nebuchadnezzar e make proposal come on oni na bedwafo say lithium deal 10%. Minu asa meja mfi NDC for oni eminim de onni onye panyini wom omo ka be wom obi ase de be kufa do aboman ye pese wi anti ne yakoye 5% ye nim negotiation Dr. Baomia wa bon MPP for ye nyade na da kwa guess what omo ba ye omo negotiation ni ade omo decide no omo say 10 ne so e de aba 5 aba papa ni ona na kwa omo buya bra yesu na Ghana for no muntimi nka because MPP edu time no mama ye dia mo refi ye say ya ba memu mu fie nwotwe na sebi efre 2022 ayare ni nti eno ma e ba form no na mo be hu se ye ni anim ade ne ye na mo reason say bibi na asi na ama asi no mo ante ase e na mo ko form ba ye de bia ye ba Ghana bebe mo be ko du na nada kwa mo de ye ko sam na doko do NDC for no ye ba ni atwa ya na ye nipa na beto konko so no ma say dada o mo twa mo ntra isa be ma ne get na nware no nada ko ba ne ho ofe oboto mi kakra bia na be ma bibi na maso ho ti si a no be he no ada na wachi ama
sa na de be me
o na nada kwa me ni abre nada kwa me ko mani nada kwa me ko mani no nada kwa me ko mani nada kwa amemu yeah yeni na ye osinto eni NDC for no
ene dey obviously
na ye bibi ansa sinto na ba
the wadwe mame e wo comment section ayi Penyah Block Media akra